Hey, hello everybody. This is Brian back with a STX token update. Last time I was here, we were talking about that support where I told you I believed it would hold, and we did hold on. It held on right there, and we have bounced. So we were up 6.44% as I make this video, right about dollar flat. Going to show you a STX price prediction here, but this chart looks really great. It really does. We're going to get back to it. Bitcoin looks super good. First thing I want to show you here is open interest in XRP surges to 800 million as crypto traders hope Ripple verdict will bring an alt season. I'm not going to read this whole article. I'm just reading this right up here. If the court rules that XRP is a security, it would mean the same for other alternative cryptos and subject the broader market to stringent supervision. So we all have to be rooting for Ripple here. This is massive for the crypto space. I mean, I guess I cannot stress how big it is. If it comes out and XRP is not a security, boy oh boy, buckle down. I think we are in for a major run. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here with us, guys, every day. We go over 10 cryptos or so. Not everybody holds one crypto, so I cover a few of them. I hold more than one. I'm sure you do too. So if there's any you're interested in looking at, look through the videos and see if I cover them. But we would love to have you here. We're going to do that 100 ADA giveaway in a couple days. All you have to do is be a subscriber to enter. Going to do that giveaway every month. So here we're going to go through the STX price prediction 2023 through 2030. He just put this out a few days ago on March 21st. So let's go down through this thing. It has your your crypto, your ticker symbol STX, your market cap, your circulating supply, the all-time high, the all-time low, your return on investment. And we're going to get right down to the price predictions here, okay? What are stacks and what it does. We're not going to go through all that, but it's a lengthy article. They really do a really great job writing this. So if you want to go there and look at it, it's on Crypto News Z. Okay, it's 2026. Experts' opinion on the STX price prediction. Okay, as per their STX price projection, it is projected that the STX price to surpass 0.05 levels by the end of 2023. Okay, here we go. Based on STX price prediction, with stacks breaching 494 by the end of 2026, while their short-term price prediction by the end of 2023 $1.52. Okay, that sounds better. I was thinking, what the heck are they talking about up here? 0.5 cents. Here we have for $3.49 by the end of 2027. For the next year, it says this place here, Tech News Leaders, they say for 2023 it's going to get to $1.29. Okay, here's the price forecast of ICO Creed. He predicted that 99 cents by 2023, while it is predicted the valuation of STX to rise above $4 by the next 5 years, 2027. This is from Investing in Stacks. STX will be profitable as it has a bullish trend. The price of a single STX can be approximately around $2.02 by the end of 2023. Hence, investors can earn hefty money by investing at the current price levels. Okay, this one here says, this is from Govern Capital, may reach 60 cents after a year. Okay, that must be an old quote from them, but here we go, 2023 to 2030, okay? 2023, they're expecting $1.40. 2024, an average of $2. 2025, $3.50. 2026, average price of $3.90. 2027, $4.75. 2028, maximum price of $5.25. 2029, $5.92 to $6.75. And 2030, $7.80 to $7.15. Wow, yeah, that's pretty decent, no doubt about it. I was wondering what they were getting to up here with this stuff up here. I'm sorry, that was so confusing, but right down here they made it a lot more clear. So by 2030 they expect this thing to be close to $8. Well, if we get a bull run, you know, it's hard to say where this thing could really head. You know, if you put a Fibonacci on this thing, and if you go with a Fibonacci extension, you know, if you put a fib on here from the top to the bottom, you know, I would expect, yeah, you know, it's showing a lot bigger numbers than that. I'm not going to say personally. I'm not a financial advisor, but the next bull run, yeah, this thing could really tear. That's for sure. You know, I can see it hitting double digits for definitely. So let's get into, I want to show you these top 100. Here's your top 100 tokens for the day. You can see there's only one red out there. Your crypto fear and greed index, the market cap's up 2.85%. Volume is up 18.6%, and Bitcoin dominance is rising just a hair at 1.04%. And the crypto fear and greed indicator, we are in a 57 today. We were in a 59 yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers, and you can see Complex is number one up there. Flare's the biggest loser today. They've been flying the last few days, that's for sure. So, all right, let's get into this chart and get a look at this thing. We were talking about that being the bottom. This is on the 4 hour. The RSI is getting up there a little bit on that 4. Let's take a look at these other RSIs first. The 1 is just spinning up, okay? That's great to see. That's what you want to see down there. The daily, beautiful, just starting up. The 12 hour, just starting up. And the 8 is getting up near the top. It can ride up there for a while, but to see that daily and that 12 just starting up, that's fantastic. That's what you want to see, because the last time this thing, when the daily reset, let's take a look here what happened. Okay, look down there, look at the white line I have here. Okay, look down where it's at on that RSI, and then look at this price jump right here the whole way to the top of that RSI. I'm not saying that's what it's going to do at all. Please don't. I'm not a financial advisor, and I do not give financial advice. So, but it's definitely looking fantastic to me. Let's put a fib on this thing and see where it could go. We pulled back to that 786, and where did we pull back to? I'm sorry, that 702 range, and I said that I believe that was the bottom, and that was the bottom. We didn't go any further from there. I'm going to get that off there. Let's see where this thing could be heading on the upside, and let's get a look at our next resistance levels first. Okay, on a weekly, we need to know what levels we need to break to keep this trend going. Obviously, we have one up there. Okay, your next one, we want them close to the price here. We have one right in through here, a major one. We also have one that we hit right up there. Okay, let's put one more support in there on the weekly. Looks pretty decent through there. So there we go. We have our major. We'll make the yellow the resistance, or the red resistance, I apologize. We're going to put them as resistance. That way we have some price targets here to shoot for. Okay, there we go. You can see we have beautiful support right there. These line up perfect. Look, we broke up through. We bounced right off this now as support, and we bounced off that as resistance. So the next resistance zone, we need to get through that $6 area right there. You can see it. We topped out right there. We need to bust through that zone. We could consolidate. We have consolidated here for 4, 8, 12, 16 hours now. We have consolidated in between this zone here. So things are looking fine. That daily RSI, you love to see that at the bottom. That is super great to see, and I totally believe we are doing that that 5 wave up, a big 5 waves. I believe this is, you know, it doesn't look like no ABC up. This looks like a 5 wave, 5 waves up is exactly what it looks like to me. This 3 should have been maybe a little bit longer, but you know, maybe something like that, something similar to that. It's what it definitely looks like to me. So keep an eye on that $6. We need to bust up through that to get to our next area there, and then we'll start looking at some targets through there, and that's going to line up with a Fibonacci, I'm sure. If we put a fib on that thing, Yeah, of course. $1.08 is the 618 fib. So that's where I'm expecting us. Actually, I'm gonna put a box here because that's where I kind of expect the first zone for us to hit. So I like putting them up there because I don't know, kind of puts more pressure on me for doing that, but that's where I expect this thing to head. Not financial advice, folks. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I just I look at the charts and just tell you what I see in them. So if we break up through that $1.06, look forward to head to the $1.13 area. So thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a fantastic night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.